Hi, so today I'll tell you how to create a perfect romance novel heroine. The most important thing that you have to keep in your mind is the fact that she has to be perfect for your hero. So, accordingly, she has to have those qualities that make her different from any other female that has her eye upon our hero. To begin with, she has to be very strong because she has to assert herself. She has to be able to fight for her rights. She also has to have the strength to correct the hero as and when he goes wrong. Okay, so by strength, I refer to her inner strength. She is a combination of gentleness and fire. And please don't create super sweet heroines who sacrifice everything for people around them, because the problem is they are too perfect for the reader. See, your heroine has to have that likability factor, and super perfect people tend to annoy the reader because they cannot relate to them. So make sure that your heroine also has the right amount of flaws in her character. Think about the legendary Scarlett O'Hara from the iconic romance Gone with the Wind. People love her. She is stubborn, she is opinionated, she is hard to tame, but still she remains one of the most popular heroines, precisely because she has some flaws in her character. Then again, those flaws have room for redemption. She is not incorrigible. And also make sure that she has a good sense of humor. She has to entertain the hero. She has to be able to verbally spar with him. She is someone who sets his pulse racing, with her verbal caliber. And she has a mind of her own. She does not blindly follow other people around her. And she is also practical. She is not all about impossible dreams, and she does not wait for anybody to rescue her. She is practically sitting on the driving seat as far as her life is concerned. So these are the qualities that you have to look for when you start writing about your heroine. Number one, she should have lot of strength, inner strength. Number two, she should be able to stand up for what is right. Number three, she should know when to assert herself, when to fight for her rights. Then the next point would be she should also have reasonable number of flaws in her personality. And last but not the least, she is faithful to the hero, because faithfulness is sexy. So hope you like it.